Office 365 keeps updating, and every few weeks we notice a new feature. So I've come to the iconic New York to check this one out. Why? Well, because this time it's icons, built into PowerPoint 2016. Come on in, take a look. You could think of it as Clip Art 2, the icon rises, I suppose, as there's potential for this to become the fodder for badly designed slides with loads of things thrown in there. But when used correctly, icons are great to help you create clear, well-designed slides. How does it work? Well, head on over to the Insert tab on the ribbon, where you'll now find the Icons button between shapes and 3D models. Click that and you'll be shown a whole load of icons that you can choose from. The list of icons is fairly extensive, with categories of icons for people, technology and electronics, communication, business, nature and outdoors, location, vehicles, buildings and medical, to name a few. So you'll probably find something useful in there. Once you've chosen your icon, rather excitingly, a new tab appears! I do love a new tab. This one's called Graphic Tools Format. Sadly, there's not actually much to get excited about. Mostly, it's the same formatting choices that you have for any PowerPoint shape, with colours and effects. Interestingly, to me at least, PowerPoint seems to be treating icons as a mix of standard shapes, things like changing the fill colours and the line colours and altering the graphic effects, but also images, as there's an option to change the graphic for another one in the library or another file, just like you can with pictures. And you can crop graphics like you can with images, but not with shapes. You can also convert your icon into PowerPoint shapes, but as the majority of PowerPoint icons in the library are either a single shape or possibly just two, there's actually not much advantage to doing this. And other than these few categorization quirks, there's really nothing new. It seems straightforward, but with icons you can have a big impact on your slides. Let's take this as an example. Pretty terrible really, but sadly, a typical slide that's abusing audiences all over the world. There are 3 quick design tips you can use to make this significantly better. Oh, hi Hannah, I'm just recording a tutorial on using icons in presentations.
I bet you're going to use my design hacks.
Yes, it's a really good way of showing how well it works.
Well then, allow me to take everyone through it. Here are 3 easy steps to improve your slides. First, get rid of the harsh white background by putting a picture in there, just to give it some richness. Second, reduce the amount of text to a few words for each point, and then put each short phrase into a semi-transparent box. Now you can neatly line them up. And third, use icons to represent each of the phrases, just to give the audience some initial context and help them link to your content.
Thanks Hannah, that's great, much appreciated. Our design hacks correspondent there, Hannah Brownlow. So previously, finding PowerPoint icons to do all of this would have been a bit of a drag, but now you can easily find the right icon for the job. And check out the BrightCarbon.com website for free resources and icons, as well as more great presentation tutorials. So give it a go, and share your creations with us by emailing info@brightcarbon.com.